EDATE function. When do we use EDATE function? ICT share. This is my example. I have a product list manage in stock. This column manage on start date of product. Next column is criteria duration of month. Okay, now calculate the expiration of product. First, click on cell and press equals. After, type EDATE function. Next, click on first date and comma. Then click month of duration of expiration of product and press enter. Check the formula result. The first product start date is September 1st, 25 and has duration 1 month. Then expiration date is September 1st, 25. It's correct answer. Next, example. This example manage for school fees of the student. This column is name of student. Next column is first day of school for students. And the last column shows the student's payment month. Now I need to find the end school fee of students. Okay, first I click cell and press equals. Next, type EDATE function and click open parentheses. Then click start date and comma. After, click payment of month, close parentheses, and enter. Look at the result for school fee of student payment to next month. The first student has start date on June 10th, 26. Then, this student payment, only 1 month. Here is the payment date for this student next month. EDATE function is done. ICT share.